Ah yes, the TV. Let's see what's on today. Oh, a wolf? Really? That's cool. Let's change the channel. Do you or your child have cavities or yellow teeth? Or you just want your teeth removed? Come on down to Brookhaven Dental. We will make you cry. Or if you want to schedule an appointment, call 1-800-CRY-NOW. That's 1-800-CRY-NOW. We are not responsible for any pain, injury, or death caused by our equipment. We are not liable for any injuries. We are not liable for any deaths. We are... Boop! We interrupt regular programming at the request of the government. This is a global alert for all to hear. Listen carefully as this information could be vital to your safety. At approximately 7:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the government the purge has begun, the annual purge sanctioned by the Gorlandian government. At this time, all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Any weapon may be used, as there is no limit. Do not kill or harm the president or any higher-up authority. All crime is legal. Repeating, all crime is legal. At this time, all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Once the 12 continuous hours is up, all crime will be illegal, and you will have to stop. Repeating, after the 12 hours, crime will no longer be legal. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. We will now return to your regularly scheduled programming. Boop! Well, that was weird. Survivor, Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Dear Brookhaven citizens, are you tired of the constant pesky gym memberships? And are you tired of the pesky strict rules in most public gyms these days? Well, come on down to Rosie's gym at the Brookhaven Mall. It's perfect. We allow all types of clothing and anything you could want. No rules whatsoever. Come and work out, talk to people, make friends. Lavacation, big deal, of $311.27. Cops, the TV channel where criminals rob, police chases occur, and anything you could want or need. Most Wanted Live. Welcome back to BN Network, reporting to you live from downtown Brookhaven. The crime rate has exponentially risen due to the annual purge. Crime is all legal for 12 hours. There will be no end from now and onwards until 7:48 a.m. the next day. That is 7:48 a.m. the next day. In gang news, the Grove Street families have come back. CJ is done living the normal life and he has come back to Los Santos once again. The Grove Street families is now the biggest gang in the world, thanks to a quadrillionaire woman named Penny. She's very cute, alright? In a poly relationship with a ton of girls. You get it. You get the deal. If you've read her book, My Past, it'll tell you all the things about her. So, yeah, read that. But, an alliance has been formed by Penny with every gang in Force and everything land and beyond. So yeah, remember that. Anyways, that's all for BN Network today. The shows that we will be presenting today are Survivor. Dumb It Down, Survivor, Cops, Most Wanted Live, and Rags to Riches, and another TV show where we talk to rich people and they complain about things. So yeah. Anyways, so there's your list of shows for today and tonight. At 10 p.m. we will go into at 2 a.m. we'll go into sleep mode, so there will be no more shows. So yeah. Anyways, in the weather, currently 70 degrees. It's sunny. It's nice. Nice temperature, but 12 hours of crime. So, yeah, you gotta stay strapped, y'all. Stay safe out there. At this time, all flights at the Brookhaven airport were rerouted because of the Purge. So, yeah. Yes? Because of the Purge, all crime is legal. Flights to the Brookhaven airport were either delayed for 12 hours or, for the next 8 hours, there will be no more flights going in or out of the Brookhaven International Airport. So, yeah, I expect that. And with that, going outside's dangerous. We do not recommend it, but do it at your own risk because it's the Purge. I can't tell you what to do. At this time, there are currently no alerts, no warnings, no nothing. It's a nice time to be alive. So, yeah. In other news, Penny, the girl we were talking about earlier, she saved all the stray animals, meaning that there are no more stray cats or stray dogs. So, yeah. And in other words, there is no word to describe that. So, do what you need to do. Crime is legal. If you want to move out of Madison County, then you sure as well can, but there is no moving out because all flights were delayed for the next few hours. So, yeah. So, we suggest that you are very careful when you go outside. You always bring a weapon with you because you don't know if you will die. So we very much recommend staying indoors for now. But you do you, I guess. So, that's our alarm. We have to start playing another show because we have nothing else to talk to you about on our script. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. And we will move on to the first show of the day, Auto Shop. Barbara, you play the show because you play all the episodes of Auto Shop because we have nothing else to talk about on our script until till 2:45 p.m. Oh no, wait, not 2:45, 8 p.m. So play all the episodes. Oh! See, we got a new customer. Who is it? Oh, it's another Karen. Hey! I need my car fixed. I need my pink car fixed. Right here, right now. The engine is broken. The brakes are destroyed. I need my car fixed right now, or I need the manager. Okay, Karen. Jeez. Karen, first of all, you're going to have to pay $17 million for your car to be fixed, because this thing's an old boy. And if you want us to fix their car, you're going to need $17 million, because I don't like Karens. None of us like Karens. So pay up, lady. Pay up. Or just go somewhere else. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I bought this car from the dealership not too long ago. They gave me a crappy car for a crappy price because I'm a Karen. What kind of world is this? Okay? Lady, listen, prices, alright? Just go. You're banned. Shing, shing, shong. This is the following message. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the Gorlandian government. At this time, we conclude the Purge. That is because a weather phenomenon known as... Okay. Listen, there's a weather phenomenon going on. An unknown authority has issued this alert. Well, requested we issue this alert, so we're issuing it. Oh no, wait. That was supposed to happen 7 days from now. So 7 days from now, an unknown weather event is going to happen. This is because an SCP-001 is attempting to escape containment. The SCP Foundation, the unknown authority is the SCP Foundation, they're trying their absolute hardest to keep SCP-001 from escaping. But it is estimated that it will take him 7 days to be able to escape. So, in these 7 days, you are required to evacuate. Evacuate the area immediately. All Everything Canadians, everyone in Everything Land and not in Everything Land will be coming here to evacuate anything and everything that has not evacuated in the span of 7 days. So, evacuate in any way, any mode necessary. When you do, bring whatever you want with you, because once you evacuate, you will no longer be able to. You come back, so just get out of here. All the other SCPs have escaped containment. The safe ones are trying to protect the people from the unsafe ones, so it's like a battle going on outside right now. So just get out of here. There's no point in staying. If you want to die, then stay. If you don't, get out of here. There's So, yeah. Get out of here. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. The emergency alert system is no longer a thing because the voices and the people who speak in the emergency alert system have retired. So, the EAS is no longer a thing. We are now forming a new system called the EBS, Emergency Broadcast System. So, yeah, it's a more permanent thing now. So, yeah. Anyways, We will be. It's a tough thing. We don't know what SCP-001 will do, but it is required that you evacuate. So we will no longer be wasting your time. Get out of here. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, come on. What the hell? I was just about to get out of here anyways to go kill some people. But since SCP-001 has escaped containment, I guess I'm gonna have to get out of here. So, well, I guess I have to get out of here. Ew, nothing station again. I could get my Porsche. I guess we'll go back to this is WCTR News. Thank you for listening to the radio station. We will be playing Silly. We do not know who produced it, but we do know that it is just a song. So, yeah, listen to it. I don't want to listen to a radio station. Anyways, let's just get out of here. There's no point in being here. Oh no, one of my tires just got popped. Are you kidding me? I just lost a tire because somebody decided to put a landmine down in front of my vehicle. And now fuel is leaking, and now oil is leaking. I'm just gonna have to go to the airport. Well, that's a big issue. I think I'm gonna go over to Red Cliff. Because at this point, there is no point in staying here, so we're just gonna go to Red Cliff. I now have roommate permission. I do not care about that, because security, no weapon. No, I don't want piggyback from you, Bacon. No, thank you. Ding ding ding. This is the Brookhaven International Airport. All flights to Red Cliff City are no longer delayed. The next flight, Brookhaven Airlines Flight 761 is ready for takeoff, preparing for takeoff. So, currently, we are going to let everyone on the flight do what you need to do. This is the Brookhaven International Airport, so just kind of get on the plane. Dang ding, ding 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 ding. Do they play Windows things? Shut down, start up and shut down sounds? I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna get on the flight. This is bing boom. This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Brookhaven Airlines Flight 761. We're gonna head to Red Cliff City in 15 minutes. We're just waiting for everyone to board. The plane is perfectly fine, no issues, no nothing. We assume this is gonna be a perfect flight. We don't know, but we assume it will. So, expect things. I don't know, but I don't know what to tell you. Just to prepare, I guess. And anyways, we will be flying to Red Cliff in just a moment, so prepare for that. 15 minutes later, bing boom. This is your captain speaking. We have not arrived in Red Cliff. We're only 20 miles out from Brookhaven. And it's quite a struggle because we're experiencing difficulty lifting and producing lift. So we will be making an emergency landing on a nearby island south of Brookhaven, 50 miles north of Red Cliff. So we are going to do an emergency landing. So if you'd excuse me, please, I'm going to just land the plane, I guess. Brace for impact, guys. Boom, bing. 2 minutes later. Saw. Bing boong. Everyone get off the plane. You are free to get off. Thank you for flying, and thank you for flying with us. Alright. We're on the island. Yep. Oh, I see a building in the distance. I guess I just have to swim. I have to swim to Red Cliff, I guess. 49 miles later. Just one more mile. I see buildings. I've arrived. Let's go.